The official ChatGPT iPhone app now includes access to Dalle 3 inside ChatGPT. This ChatGPT new feature means you can now create images on the fly while using your ChatGPT iPhone app. Remember to check out the AI Video Maker course in the description and pinned comment below. You'll learn cool ways to make money with AI videos, and you can try it out for just $1. Now let's check out how to get and use Dalle 3 inside the official ChatGPT iPhone app. Okay, if you don't already have the ChatGPT iPhone app, make sure you download it. Check to make sure that it's the OpenAI official ChatGPT app with this icon. If you do already have it, it's really important that you update the app to the latest version so that you can access Dalle 3 inside ChatGPT. And if you didn't already know, you need to have ChatGPT Plus to be able to access this feature. And you can see in my settings here that I have indeed got ChatGPT Plus. Okay, you've downloaded the latest version of the ChatGPT app. You've got ChatGPT Plus. Now just come up to the top and tap the GPT-4 button, and you can see we have default, browse with Bing, and Dalle 3. So tap the Dalle button to activate it. And you can see when I tap the GPT-4 button again, the check mark is highlighted next to Dalle 3. Also next to the GPT-4 button, we have the headphone icon, which indicates ChatGPT voice conversation. And watch the video above here to see what it is, how to enable it, and use it. Back to Dalle 3 inside ChatGPT iPhone app, and you can just give it a simple request to create an image and then give it your prompt. So let's create an image of a cute dog sleeping on an inflatable pool bed in a swimming pool. Dalle 3 then goes ahead and creates its own prompts behind the scenes, and within a few short seconds we have 4 great images. And as we flick through these one at a time, you can see we have some great variety between the 4 of them, including a couple of cartoon-like images. This first one I really like. It's looking very lifelike indeed, and such a cute dog. Second one's pretty good too. Not so sure about the third one. And I also like the concept of the 4th one. I can easily go ahead and save this image straight to my camera roll. And let's make a quick change to the 4th one here. We'll ask ChatGPT Dalle 3 to make the 4th image more lifelike. We'll send that off and see what it comes back with. Ah, that's good. That's way more lifelike. Just what I wanted. Really like the sunset in the background there too. So in just a few short seconds, we have 2 great images of a cute dog sleeping on an inflatable pool bed in a swimming pool. Now check out this video to see how to enable ChatGPT voice conversation on the official ChatGPT iPhone app. Also, subscribe to the channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.